It's never too late to reinvent yourself. What makes you unique is what makes you attractive. Now is no time to think of what you do not have. Think of what you can do with what there is. Be the reason someone smiles. Be the reason someone feels loved and believes in the goodness in people. Show respect even to people who don't deserve it, not as a reflection of their character, but as a reflection of yours. Be careful who you build with, because people will use you for the foundation and finish the structure with somebody else. Life changes for the better when we realize that we don't have to know everything and we don't have to pretend that we do. It takes a long time to realize how truly miserable you are, and even longer to realize it doesn't have to be that way. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. When you are not sure, flip a coin, because when the coin is in the air, you realize which option you are actually hoping for. Trees don't hang around with the grass even though they all started from the same place. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. Most of the stuff you worry about never happens. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. There will always be someone who can't see your worth. Don't let it be you. To give out someone else's secret is betrayal. To give out yours is stupidity. If you stand for a reason, be prepared to stand alone like a tree. And if you fall on the ground, fall like a seed that grows back to fight again. The longer we dwell on our misfortunes, the greater is their power to harm us. Man's main task in life is to give birth to himself, to become what he potentially is, the most important product of his effort in his own personality.